From a marvel of engineering utilizing a propeller, bicycle chain, 2 blades, and 3 wheels to propel a vehicle forward while the wheels aid in spinning the propeller, to an innovation involving specialized containers and a robotic arm, completing a full work cycle in just 65 seconds with only 1 operator required. These are the craziest inventions that will drive you insane. Blackbird. Numerous articles highlight the most absurd yet functional means of transportation, the engineering marvel known as the tailwind. Described on various websites, its concept is deceptively simple. A propeller, bicycle chain, 2 blades, and 3 wheels work together to propel the vehicle forward while the rotating wheels assist in spinning the propeller. The sheer novelty of the idea and its successful execution led many online users to initially doubt its authenticity, deeming it physically implausible. One YouTuber even wagered $10,000 on its feasibility, only to discover that indeed a windmill could outpace downwind movement, resulting in the physicist better writing a check to the victor. In 2012, a remarkable achievement was reached when the vehicle surpassed wind speed records by 2.8 times, showcasing its remarkable capabilities. Witness this captivating tale unfold in a matter of minutes, a fascinating narrative without the need to rewind. From groundbreaking technologies to out-of-this-world creations, get ready for some of the wildest ideas and inventions humans have come up with. They're sure to make you insane. Biodegradable batteries. Equally captivating is a groundbreaking development emerging from Singapore. Not a mere work of contemporary art, but the prototype of a flexible, paper-based battery. Remarkably thin at just 0.02 inches, it boasts biodegradability, decomposing entirely within a month when placed in soil. Its efficiency is astounding. A mere 1.6 by 1.6 inch prototype can power a compact fan for approximately 45 minutes. What's more, this battery is adaptable, able to bend, fold, and even be cut into pieces if required. Utilizing non-toxic materials eliminates the need for special casing. The potential applications are vast, ranging from gadgets to smart clothing and medical devices. Furthermore, the research team aims to develop specialized electronic components powered by these innovative batteries. Compuertas BG. In a shocking revelation from the UN in 2021, the number of undernourished individuals surged by 40 million, highlighting the urgent need for various advancements in agriculture. Among these innovations, one stands out on your screen: a groundbreaking approach to replace conventional irrigation methods. The initial phase involves laying down a flexible hose and strategically puncturing it with specialized inserts. This method requires a water consumption rate of approximately 1.8 to 2.1 gallons per unit. The hose, constructed from polyethylene, spans 328 feet in length. Overall, this irrigation technique is hailed as ingenious, cost-effective, and suitable for all types of crops, as indicated in the accompanying video description. Tactile finger based on optical signals. The latest advancement in robotics introduces a breakthrough in tactile precision. Engineers have successfully equipped robots with fingers capable of highly sensitive touch. These specialized fingers find application across diverse fields, from manufacturing plants to medical facilities. So how does this American innovation function? Beneath the surface of the robotic finger lies a layer of transparent silicon embedded with LEDs and photodiodes, which analyze variations in light reflection upon contact. As the finger interacts with objects, the skin undergoes deformation, altering the reflected light patterns. By interpreting these real-time updates, the system discerns a spectrum of tactile sensations. Previously deemed too complex for analysis, advancements in machine learning now empower researchers to extrapolate intricate details from the applied force during touch to the specific nature of the object being manipulated by the robot. Ready for some of the most outlandish ideas and inventions humans have ever dreamed up. And not just one, but two of the craziest inventions that are guaranteed to leave you absolutely floored. Grain Weevil. Have you ever ventured into the interior of a granary? It's quite perilous in there. In the United States alone, approximately 7% of farmers suffer from respiratory ailments attributed to inhaling fine particles. Moreover, the formation of voids within the grain mass poses significant challenges for rescuing individuals, as the resistance is formidable and there's no ejection force to aid in extraction. Addressing these hazards, an American company has introduced a robot designed for safe and efficient grain management. This robot adeptly mixes and maneuvers grain with the resistance of augers. Currently operating autonomously, its developers are actively pursuing integration with other machinery. Weighing approximately 26 pounds, the robot boasts a 2-hour charging capacity and is remotely controlled. Initial estimates suggest a price point around $5,000 for this innovative solution. AS. Average daily trash disposal per person varies widely, with some regions surpassing 10 pounds, highlighting the global waste management challenge. Fortunately, advancements in garbage collection and disposal offer hope, with innovations like specialized containers and robotic booms revolutionizing the industry. This cutting-edge system, capable of completing a full work cycle in just 65 seconds with only one operator, accommodates various container types, including above-ground and underground options, with capacities of up to 176 cubic feet. Its adaptability extends to compact 2-axle vehicles, promising significant cost reductions in garbage removal once integrated.